How do your students learn best? By doing, right? We understand how difficult it can be to not only plan science practicals for students to do in class, but also to extend that to home learning as well. At Empiribox, we are passionate about science for primary students through hands-on experimentation, learning through doing. Our investigations focus on building knowledge and developing students' working scientifically skills whilst meeting all those national curriculum requirements. Our new online resources allow for total versatility for the students to do practical science experiments using basic equipment, whether they're at school or at home. Not only can it be used by teachers as fun, relevant investigations, but parents have access as well to experience the joys of science at home. So if you're teaching forces, for example, gravity or friction, you can be safe in the knowledge that Empiribox have got you covered. We have an extensive library of lesson topics for Key Stages 1 and 2 in our 18 programmes of study. There's no need for you to plan, as our interactive lessons and complementary worksheets ensure all of that hard work has been done for you. Each lesson has a fun starter activity, followed by step-by-step instructions led by one of our experienced science teachers, so that the students can complete their own investigation. There are differentiated questions on the working scientifically skills, where students will learn how to plan, present and analyse data or evaluate their experiments. We also provide additional opportunities for stretch and challenge and a quiz for Key Stage 2 students to assess their learning. If you'd like to be one of the thousands of people already gaining the benefits of our amazing resources, then click on the button below to register for your free trial and get some more information.